All right, so if you want to watch the Coldplay concert, you can go into Horizon Worlds. I cannot recommend this enough. This is one of the best things I've seen in a while. So you can find it here under featured. There's other things as well, but I would go to this. And then I'm going to show you a couple hacks here for what you should do, because it's already really cool when you get there. This was supposed to start, I think, in about a minute. So we're going to get there. But you see this little thing right here? You can push go get a seat. I'm going to do it just so I don't lose my seat. So now I have a seat. I don't know what's happening there. Or you can hit the left joystick, the menu button, and then go to seat right here. And you can pick another seat. So I sit here because somebody's in my way. So I'm going to pick that one right there. Now, this is already really cool. What I recommend is this. When you see this, if you have the 3D button, you push that and everything changes into like 3 dimensions. So I'll show you what it looks like. So this is, I can see everybody. I'm at like the screen here. Unfortunately, this doesn't go away. If anyone knows how this goes away, let me know. But so now I'm like basically at like a big dome. If you've ever been to one of those like IMAX domes, that's what it feels like. I'm sitting in a chair. I have everybody around me. I'm at a dome. Once you press the 3D button, everything goes away and everything becomes 3D like a movie, but it's right in your face, so it feels like it's like you're living right there. There's no more like screen feeling. It feels like I'm actually in space right now. If I look around, as long as you don't go past 180, once you get past 180, then it's black because they want to make sure they get the best picture quality. But you have everything like flying at your face in like the greatest 3D movie you've ever seen, because it doesn't articulate, it doesn't show you, like you have to experience this. 3D on a TV movie screen is like still 20 feet away from me, 30 feet away. This is I'm like flying over London right now. And the quality of these videos is insane. It's like 8K, I think. The cameras are everywhere. They changed the views. You can see here, like the quality, the immersion you get is insane. There's the cameras there, you can see. So this is on a rolling basis. It's every 15 minutes. You basically get the entire concert. It's an amazing concert. Coldplay is an incredible band as well, as you know. And there you go. Welcome to the Coldplay concert. Lighting from the crowd's bracelets, incredible throughout the show. There's fireworks at Wembley Stadium. I can't articulate how it feels to have him like in your face. You're on stage. You can see the audience very clearly when the lights come on. It's incredible. Three, two, one. I'm like a broken record. I'm like a broken record, and I'm not playing right. Just sort of call back, kill me. Till you tell me on the heavenly phone. Hold tight, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hold tight, it's alright, you say. Hands up, shaking just to let you know that you've got a higher power. Got me singing every second, dancing every hour. Oh yeah, you've got a higher power, and you're someone I wanna know. This boy is electric and he's sparkling like the universe connected. And I'm buzzing night after night after night. Joy is electric. This joy is electric and we suck at it. I'm so happy that I'm alive. Happy I'm alive.
to let you know